my class. How are you all? Fine? Very good. Even I am also fine. And now it's time, after your today's prayer and exercise, we are going to begin our class. Today there is something really very interesting I'm going to share with you. And that's about our today's date. See, whenever earlier, कल तक, yesterday, जो कल चला गया, what is yesterday? जो कल finish हो गया. When we were writing date, तो हम क्या लिख रहे थे? 39/21, right? That means मैम आपको क्या डेट बोल रहे थे? 30th September 2021, isn't it? But today there is a change in the date. हर रोज की तरह क्या होता है? Every day मैम सिर्फ ये फर्स्ट नंबर चेंज कर रहे थे. But today there is something special. We have changed the second number also. पहले यहाँ पे हम 9 लिखते थे. Today we have started writing 10. Why? Because जो September month था, that's finished. And now from today a new month has begun. That is October. Say with me, October. So this is the new month we have begun. तो जब new month शुरू हुआ, तो आज new month की क्या है? First date. So we have written 1. 10 is for October month we are writing, and 21, you know, that's the year going. Clear? तो आज क्या special है? We are started with the new month. Clear? And what is the name of this month? October. Just repeat it with me once. October. Okay? Great. Now what is the day today? Which day is today? Friday. And which, if we count it on our fingers, which number Friday has? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That means 5th day of the week, isn't it? So today is 5th day of the week, and that is Friday. So if today is Friday, what will be tomorrow? Tomorrow, आने वाला कल. Tomorrow, जो कल आएगा, बाद वाला. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Very good. So class, let's begin our topic. This is your English class. So can anyone tell me what we did in English yesterday? Again, what is yesterday? जो कल चला गया, finish हो गया, isn't it? Now tell me what we did yesterday in English class. We have learnt about a new letter, its sound and some pictures about it. Yes or no? Yes. So can you tell me which letter was this? Which letter is it? We have learnt about letter M. Yes. Now there are so many pictures here. Can you tell me few pictures? Can you name some pictures with letter M? Yes, we have mango, we have mug, macaroni, mat, music, monkey, mouse. Then we have mushrooms, we have mountains, there is moon here with us. So we have learnt about so many pictures, so many things that begins with letter M. And when we are discussing about this letter M, this particular letter, what sound it makes? Can you tell me what sound comes out when we say mug? तो जो इसकी beginning sound M sound is coming out. Yes. Okay, let's talk about this one. What picture is this? Mountain. Now, when we are saying the word mountain, again tell me, what sound is coming out from your mouth? Beginning sound. Beginning means starting sound. So, what sound is coming out? Mountain. Mountain. Isn't it? Then we have moon. Moon. Understood? Mushroom. अब आप एक चीज देखिए, मशरूम में स्टार्टिंग में एम है और एंड में भी एक एम है, राइट? अब जब हम इसको प्रोनाउंस कर रहे हैं, जब हम इसको बोल रहे हैं, मश म आ रहा है ना, मशरूम, एंड में एम है तो वो म साउंड पर ही फिनिश हो रहा है, isn't it? Now see here, macaroni, mouse, monkey, music, mango, mat, all are beginning with M. So when you are saying their name, M sound is coming. Now, जब हम बोलते हैं mama, isn't it? Mama, mama. Now some of us call mom. Mom is what? मम्मा को मॉम भी बोलते हैं ना. अब देखो, जब हमने बोला मॉम, अगेन म ओ मॉम, एम पे स्टार्ट हो रहा है म, एम पे फिनिश हो रहा है म. सो दिस इज टू टेल यू दैट व्हेनेवर वी हैव लेटर एम चाहे स्टार्टिंग में है या एंड में है, एज आई टोल्ड यू इन मशरूम ऑल्सो, आई हैव टोल्ड यू इन मॉम ऑल्सो, चाहे वो लेटर बिगनिंग में है या एंड में है. सो व्हेन वी आर प्रोनाउंसिंग अबाउट दिस लेटर, जब हम इस लेटर को बोल रहे हैं, रीड कर रहे हैं, द साउंड दैट विल कम आउट इज म. क्लियर? जस्ट मेक दिस वेरी क्लियर टू यू. द साउंड ऑफ लेटर एम इज म. What is mo? Pocha. Yes. Mountain, moon, mushroom, mug, macaroni, mango, mat. Clear? Then we have music, monkey, mouse, mom. All where M is there, what sound is coming? M. Done? Now, how to write this alphabet? Though I have told you yesterday also, but today we are going to do this practice in the notebook. So just look carefully. आपको क्या करना है? From this red line you will make one standing line. और standing line बनाने के बाद आप अपनी पेंसिल को हटा दोगे. ठीक है? After that, इसी point से you will make one right slanting line downwards. नीचे की तरफ एक राइट स्लैंटिंग लाइन बनेगी. फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट अगेन यू विल गो अप स्लैंटिंग लाइन राइटवर्ड्स. राइट साइड की जाएगी आपकी स्लैंटिंग लाइन एंड वन स्टैंडिंग लाइन डाउनवर्ड्स. यू रिमेंबर व्हेन वी रोट लेटर W, तो हमने क्या किया था? जब हम W लिख रहे थे, आई टोल्ड यू ये आपका पूरा ऊपर तक जाएगा, राइट? सिमिलरली M में भी आपका पूरा जो ये वाला पॉइंट है नीचे ब्लू लाइन पे टच करेगा. इज दैट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? सो डोंट मेक दिस मिस्टेक कि ये आप बस इतना ही लिखोगे लाइक दिस. नो, दिस इज रॉन्ग. व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग लेटर M, you have to touch it till blue line. Is that clear to everyone? Like this you will write. Standing line draw करके remove your pencil, down, up and down. फिर आपको पेंसिल नहीं हटानी है जब तक फिनिश नहीं होगा. Standing line from top to bottom, then right slanting line downwards, right slanting line upwards and standing line downwards. This is how you will write your letter So please do your work in the notebooks, and I will be asking you to submit the notebooks in the school जब मैम बोलेंगी. So make sure आपका सारा work notebook में हो. No papers, no pages, no sheets will be accepted. Clear? So let's see and let's move and see how we are going to do the work in notebook. Okay? So class, can you see the notebook here now? You'll start doing your work like this. First write the date, topic, then draw any of the 3 pictures and color them beautifully also. Like I have drawn mango, mushroom and mat. You can draw these pictures or you can draw something else, but make sure you are going to color them also. And after that, let's start tracing this letter. So keep a sharp pencil with you. First, you have to trace the standing line like this. Then, right slanting downwards, right slanting upwards, and standing line downwards. So this is how you will write letter M. Let's practice again. Standing line downwards, remove. Slanting line towards your right, downwards. फिर upward slanting line and downward standing line. Clear? So you all know how to trace on dots. Let's write them without dot now. One standing line downwards. Now remove your pencil. Put your pencil here again. Right side slanting downwards, right side slanting upwards and again standing. So what I want to tell you is ये वाला जो point है that will touch this blue line. अगर आप ऐसे लिख रहे हो like this only, so this one is wrong. Clear? यहाँ center तक कोई नहीं लाएगा. These slanting lines will touch the lower blue line. I'll show you again. देखिए standing line. Now slanting line will touch the lower blue line और यहीं से वो ऊपर जाएगी and again down. This is how you will write your letter M in notebook. Hope you all have understood it well. Now please finish your work neatly and please do this work in proper English notebooks, proper 4-line notebooks. Time for you to finish the work and get ready for the next class. Take care.